experience where I've worked for different domains like healthcare, life insurance, as well as currently I'm working for banking domain. Uh, I mean to say like, so I have an experience in teaching field almost up to 3 years. So where I'm also giving the interview support as well as job support as well. For that, you can contact with Subbu. So yeah, so we can go for one quick round of introductions, right? So can you introduce yourself, each one of you? Like Hemant, can you start with Hemant?
Hi, good morning. Myself Hemant Verma. I'm from Vishakhapatnam. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, we can hear you. So are you currently an employee or like a student?
No, job sector. I
Okay,
completed my
fine. So it's
engineering
an
in 2021.
good. So just also include one point. So whether you are from non-technical or technical. So
Not technical.
okay, good, good. Thanks. No worries. So welcome to Mulesoft. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Uh, like Eleswaran Babu.
Hey, hi, sir. So I have around 6.5 years of IT experience, and currently I'm into TIPCO BW. So I want to upgrade myself to MuleSoft as well. So
Okay, good. Yeah, nice. Venkatesh.
Yeah, hi. Good morning, all. Myself Venkatesh. I'm from Warangal and I have completed my graduation in 2017. And I have worked into my core field for 2 years and currently
Mhm.
looking for IT. So basically, I'm not non-technical.
No worries. So welcome to MuleSoft. We are here to assist you. So
Yeah, thank
Vijay,
you.
Yeah, I am audible.
yeah,
Hello.
Vijay, you can go ahead. Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, hi, this is Vijay Kumar. I have a 3 years experience in e-learning domain and 1 year experience in TCS e-commerce. So I'm an IT employee before. I have relieved on the 10. So I want to gain a knowledge in MuleSoft and go with the MuleSoft right now.
Okay, good. Thank you, Vijay. So Aslam Sheikh.
Hi, good morning all. Myself Sheikh Aslam. I am from Gondar. I completed my graduation BTech in computer science 2018 batch. After that, I had tried to IT, but I did not get any job. After that, Corona. After I started with my career in non-IT finance sector, I want to switch the IT sector. That's why I'm looking for a IT job.
Okay, sure, Sheikh Aslam. Don't need to worry. So we are here to assist you, right? So MuleSoft is an integration tool. So it's, I mean to say like in one word, it's having the minimal coding with maximum integration. So it's not like in Java or like .NET or any Python. So we cannot rely on coding. So less coding with more integrations. So good decision. Thank you. So Satya.
Thank you.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Satya Narayana. I have 8 years of experience in IT, and I primarily work on healthcare domain. I was into all integration technologies. I was working on Oracle Fusion, WMB, WebSphere Message Brokers, and currently working on EIPs with with a good experience on Dell Boomi too. I want to learn MuleSoft too. Yeah, that's all.
Sure.
Sure.
Good to hear,
Good to
Satya.
hear, Satya.
Thank you.
Shiva.
Shiva.
Yeah, hi. Good morning to all. This is Shivanagida Tota. I am from Bhimbaram. I completed my graduation BTech as a civil engineer in 2014. Now I'm in now construction field. I want to learn MuleSoft and then go to as a IT engineer. Thank you.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Welcome to MuleSoft, Shiva.
Yeah, thank you.
So before starting the introduction class, so I want to know like how many of you know about MuleSoft? Okay, no worries. So I will take it as a like from 0 to 100, right? So let's begin with my class. So here no need to worry. Here I'm here to assist you, right? So Mulesoft is a very easy and very reliable tool. Okay. So just 1 minute. So just let me know, are you able to see my screen?
Uh,
Okay. So like Jane Venkatesh, can you go on? Sure. So basically, MuleSoft is an integration tool. I mean, it's a middleware tool which integrates the different systems, okay, based on requirement. For example, for our understanding, I can tell in one example. It is like not a technical person. I will go for one normal example which can understand for each and everyone from student to employee. For example, like Hemant, I will take an example. So he can familiar to speak in Telugu. Let's say one example. Whereas Sheikh Aslam is unfamiliar to speak in Hindi. If we communicate in Telugu, right? So Sheikh Aslam cannot understand that language because there is an miscommunication. I mean to say like that there will be language will be different, right? So in the same way, in the coming to the replica reverse case, the Sheikh Aslam speak in Hindi. If we communicate what he is in Hindi, right? So definitely layman can also not understand. Here actually MuleSoft comes into picture, the middleware layer. I mean to select a medium in between Hemant to Sheikh, where it will receive the data in the Telugu, for example, from Hemant. Okay, it will take the data and it will convert. It will give the same data in expected format, whatever Sheikh Aslam is expecting in Hindi. Okay, I mean to say like here our role is an integration role where we can integrate with the different system. So in a layman language, for our example, I'm taking one small. But going forward, if you can know what is the role of MuleSoft, then I can go into the technical perspective. I can show how exactly it is working in the real time. So hope you understand like exactly what MuleSoft is doing here. Just it's an high level outline I'm telling. Any doubts on that? Just I'm explaining at the high level. So how exactly MuleSoft is going taking place in a real time. Hemant, Babu, Venkatesh, Vijay, Shiva, Satya.
Yep, I got it. Thank you.
Okay, sure. So I'll take one example here. For example, everyone is familiar in using browser, right? So it's a common point to take a Google. So if I would like to log in Facebook, or else I will do one Gmail. Okay. You directly search for Gmail, right? So internally we are able to see the UI part. I mean, in the front end, it is directly redirected to the Gmail and it's open the page. In the page, we have internally like post, inbox, send, draft, etc. Even have a different specification. But you need to understand how Microsoft is taking place in this situation. Basically, here we have to develop the application. For example, previously I've taken an example as language from the humans, right? So now coming to the technical part. Here we need to speak about systems. For example, or else we'll do one thing. till I will draw this diagram later on. I can explain exactly what
For
is.
some reason, we are not able to see the screen that you're talking about, sir. So I'm still seeing the Gmail window. Is this same for
Oh,
everyone, or just me?
sorry.
Okay,
Let me share 1 second.
thank you.
So yeah, is it visible now?
Yep, perfect. Yep.
Okay, okay, sure. So first I will draw a diagram. After that, I can explain what exactly how MuleSoft will be taking place in the integration perspective. So no need to worry about this because as I told, it's a more we need to focus on the integration and less coding. So once you are very familiar on the integration part, right? I mean to select 3 points I can say. One is basics, you need to understand. Second is what system we need to drag and drop. Third thing is on which scenario, which system we need to use. If you are familiar in these 3 points, that you can easily handle MuleSoft in your fingertips. That is very easy. Client. So see, recently I have given one example from Hemant to Sheikh, right? So basically they need to change their language in order to understand each other. So here MuleSoft is taking place. But coming to the technical perspective, just now what I have done. So just I have entered as a client, I have entered as a google.com. So if you can see here as a client, as a Raghav, I am going to the Google page, just have entered google.com. But the page has been opened. Okay. Now I would like to connect with target system. I will enter Gmail or any other thing, whatever I would like to handle. So if I just click on Gmail, right, I can able to see one UI page where I can able to see different specifications like inbox, sent, etc. Blah blah. Okay, but here we don't know if I type Google as if I type Gmail in the Google, right? How can it is redirect to the Gmail? So actually here MuleSoft is taking place an integration tool. So once I'm into select here, our work or our duty, our responsibility is to. I will explain you 1 second. Sorry. Here we need to from source system and we need to send the same to target whatever the response I am from system to send same to source system. Here So here as a MuleSoft, right, what we need to do, whatever the request we are getting from the source system. For example, as a client, I have logged in into, sorry, I have opened the browser. I have just typed google.com. Here Google is an our source system. After that, I have entered as a Gmail. So here what I will receive as a data, Gmail as a request. Okay. So I will get the data as a Gmail. So what I need to do as a MuleSoft developer, we need to take that request and we need to send the same request to target system. So what target system will do? It will take that request and it will send the response back. For example, customer or client wants to send an email. So it will display the inbox. So that inbox we need to replicate the same to source system, or else customer wants to send an data. Okay, it will go to sent items. Customer want to search for any of the emails. It will take the search box and it will send to the Gmail. So this is what as a middleware layer or integration layer. Here we are the responsible to take the data from source system. The same data we need to send to target system. So and also we need to perform some basic operations like, for example, Gmail is sending in XML language, but target system is expecting in JSON. So what we need to do here, we need to convert the data. Here we are getting data as XML, but target system is
Did we lose you?
hello. Am I
Hello,
audible?
am I
Sorry.
audible? Sorry.
Yeah, now I can. We can hear you, sir.
I think
I think
network issue is there.
network issue is there.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay. So I may know like up to what scenario have you understood?
You
Like
understood? Like,
Yeah, but target system is up to that point we could hear. After that, we couldn't hear anything.
okay, okay.
okay, okay.
Sorry.
Sorry.
No, it's
Yeah. Here the target system is Gmail, correct? So I mean to say, like, for example, here we are as a MuleSoft developer, here we need to do one thing, whatever the request we are coming from the source system, right? We need to take that request and we need to pass the same to target system. After that, whatever the response is giving from the target system, we need to replicate the same to source. Only this is our responsible as a developer. But apart from that, we need to do few more things that as a developer we need to maintain some standards, right? I mean to select, for example, as a Gmail we are getting a data in the format of XML, but here source system is expecting the data in JSON. Okay, as a MuleSoft developer, simply we cannot take the whatever data it is coming from Gmail and we cannot send the same to target system. Here we need to understand what exactly target system is looking for. Here it is looking for a JSON, JavaScript object notation. As a developer, here we need to do some integration part. I mean to select converting data. As I told, in the MuleSoft, right, if you are having 100% of capacity, in that only 5 to 6% is coding, remaining all are integration. That 5 to 6% is converting the data. 5 to 6% of minimal coding. That to converting data as per the target system expectations. So One second, I can repeat in a short way. As a MuleSoft, right, we are here to take place on middleware layer. Just we need to take the target, I mean to select the request from the source, and we need to send to the target, and here we need to take that response and we need to send to the source system. So in between we can get different types of data, and we are responsible to change that data, as well as, for example, in one more scenario, while taking the data, right, if you are getting any error, it may be server issues, suddenly the system got down. For example, sometimes you can observe it when you log into Facebook or any other apps. So we are getting 500 internal server. That means that system is down at their end. So at that time, we need to handle those errors. So basically converting, and we are here to take the data and send the data back to source system. Third point is handling the errors. Okay, these three we need to take care as per the as part of MuleSoft developer. Apart from that, we have some other concepts like, I mean to select data may come into files, or data may come into queues, or we are getting bulk data. All these things we need to handle, but from that scenario, coding is not required. Integrations is required. Like we have different components in the MuleSoft. I will show you. But prior going to that, any doubts like how we are doing a MuleSoft in the real time?
No, I'm good.
Okay, so what about remaining like Venkatesh, Babu, Vijay,
Yeah,
Shiva?
I'm good.
Yes, clear.
Okay, okay. So
Hi, good.
one second, yeah, because you are here to crack the MuleSoft, and here to know the knowledge of MuleSoft, right? So whatever the doubt you are getting, just stop me and ask. I am here to assist you. I can explain 10 times or 20 times, because you are paying fees to me, right? So here my responsibility is to understand. If I simply read and write and go through that, right, it will not use, because my satisfaction is not in money. My satisfaction is ultimately you all should gain good knowledge, and also you should be very happy while completing this course, and you should be very confident, like I am good to start my mule career. Because in starting of my career, right, no one guided me. So as per my interest, I have gone through different articles and all these things. Okay, so my sincere request is, if you are having any doubt, please stop me. I am here to assist you. Same way, right? For example, you go for Red Bulls as well. As a client, I want to book one ticket from one source destination, from source to destination point, from Hyderabad to Vizag. One minute, sorry. I'm here. Uh, in one of like,
Good.
no, no, I mean, I'm asking your source system. Previously it was Google, right? Now, uh, no, no,
Red Bus.
it's, yeah. So sorry, it's Google only, but target system is bus. Okay, because the Google is a source system only.
Echo is coming.
I'm getting some noise in my side.
Sorry. Uh,
Echo is
is it
coming
fine
from
now?
all.
Same, your voice is not clear.
Uh,
No, it is
okay.
clear to me.
No, it's clear.
Okay, is it fine right now, or else I can change my network?
Yes, fine.
Okay, is it fine right? Yeah, good. Thank you so much. So don't get confused. See, here also system is Google only because I have opened my Google Chrome. Okay, Google. In that previously instead of Gmail, I have typed I am searching for Redbus. So instead of Gmail, we are getting Redbus. Correct?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, any doubts?
Any doubt?
Okay. Actually, we are getting the
Still
echo.
we are
Like,
getting the
is it fine?
is it fine?
Yes, sorry.
Yeah. So just don't get confused. So here also the source system is Google only. Instead of Gmail, right, I have sent for Redbus. For example, so can you tell now what is the source system and what is the target here of any one of you?
Google is a source system.
Target system is sorry.
Facebook.
Could you please? Okay. So why I am asking these questions in between session, right? So you'll be more interactive. Sorry, the session will be more interactive and we'll be very conscious and you'll be very alert if I ask these questions because my agenda is if I ask these questions in middle of this session, right, you will be very conscious and you'll be very focused while listening this concept and no need to read once again. So that's the reason I'm planning in a different approach. So if you go for any of the institutes or any other online classes, directly then go and they will ask you are having any doubts. But in my case, if you are taking it wrong also, that is fine. But my intention is you need to understand, you need to be satisfied once the class is completed. So it will be very helpful to me only if I simply tell and go right. I will be very strong. But here my motive is to understand use yourself. Okay. So the Facebook is see. Like Vijay, can you go on? There is okay. Thank you. So hope you understand my motive. So hope you understand what exactly Mulesoft is doing in the real time and how it's taking place.
Yep.
Okay, thank you. And one more thing I can say, it's a funny way. I mean to say like it's not on coming to the technical part, but we need to understand the background, like why they have given the name as mule. Okay, so just an general question to you all, like what is the advantage of horse as animal, right? So what is the specialty horse?
Returning speed.
Perfect. So what is the specialty of donkey?
It's it was
It
slow
will
and
load.
luggage
It can
unload.
lift more goods.
Correct. So here my intention is to tell. So I am expecting horse to be very fast while running, okay, while reaching the destination. I cannot expect the same thing from donkey because donkey has their own specification. In the replication, in the same reverse way, donkey has a specialty of loading more data. I mean, it will do it will carry very heavy load, but it will walk slow. But is there any other animal I can expect it should be carry more data and it should run like a horse? No, right? So the I mean to select don't get it in wrong way. So mules of the name comes into picture the crossbreed of donkey and horse on a mule. If you can see here, right? This is the mule animal name. The crossbreed of donkey and horse. Mule is there. Okay. So its specialty is it will run like a horse. it will work like a donkey. So that is the reason nowadays in the current market there is a no such integration to who can beat Mulesoft. Okay, I mean to select for our understanding. I have told you, but coming to the technical part, we have a concept called data view. Okay, so due to the beauty of data view only nowadays Mulesoft is in market. Okay, I don't know about the establishment here, but when the Salesforce acquired Mulesoft, right, in 2016, the market has like uh, blast like anything. Okay, there are a lot of opportunities when Salesforce acquires Mulesoft. So nowadays there is no other option to beat Mulesoft, and most of the companies, for example, I am also working on one of the banking domain. They also build data from past 19 years. They are working on Java. All of a sudden, due to some flexibility, they are converted into MuleSoft, and that project budget is almost, I cannot tell, like almost 8,000 crores. It is up to 2027. So that is the beauty of MuleSoft. So no one will take the dare because almost the system is running from 18 years. Why they want to change that to MuleSoft and invest 8,000 crores? Because they are looking for the future. So if we take that decision now itself, they are looking for the future up to almost 100 years. Let's some example I'm telling. So I can say everything is not at all permanent. There will be chance of beating MuleSoft as well. Previously the TIPCO, the Dell Baby was king. Now MuleSoft somewhat better. So going forward, there will be another tool who can beat the MuleSoft. But currently the market is very good, and also up to coming 7 to 10 years, there will be no alternative for MuleSoft. If you are getting for any alternative also, it will take some time in order to inject in the market. I mean to select tool will be very easy. We can release in the market, but here question mark is how the companies are acquiring the tool. That is the point, right? If the companies are acquiring the tool, business will be more. If the business is more, opportunities will be more. But here MuleSoft already established. So there are a lot of companies acquiring MuleSoft and acquired also. That's the reason it is getting more fame as well as more opportunities. That is one thing I can say. Okay, so hope you understand simple example of Mule, right? Why MuleSoft is very good. More data with larger speed. Coming to the technical, if I can replicate the technical, right? Large number of data I can accept for a source system. For example, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs gods. More speed like horse. For example, any other system, it will taking 40 minutes. It will take 4 minutes. In the same way, whatever response I'm getting at 20 lakhs gods from a Gmail, it will take 4 minutes to in the data. More number of data with less time. As a combination of horse and donkey, there is a mule. Any doubts till now?
I'm good.
Yeah, sure. So because today is a starting day, right? So I cannot take more time, and also it's a weekend. I can understand your feeling because I'm also employed, right? So I will close it in 2 minutes. But just I wanted to know. So what is content I would like to explain in the coming session? It will take only 2 minutes. Sorry for so. We'll do one thing. I will upload one content here. I'm not sure exactly what. I think module one. I think yeah. So I can tell one thing proudly. So it will take some time to learn the MuleSoft, because in other code center we can complete it in 30 minutes. So I can challenge you. I will make it perfect in 1 week as well, but that is not my intention, because if I close the MuleSoft in 1 week, you are very familiar in cracking the interview. That is my promise. But I'm teaching in a such a way, like going forward, you should be certain and you should be very dependent or very independent on yourself, because once you completed your data, right? I mean to select completion of the course. You should not feel very guilt, like why I have taken this mules of, why I'm facing these struggles, all these things. So why I have entered into writing. So my suggestion to all, time will not get back. Okay, whatever the time is there in your hands, we to utilize in a correct manner. So that is my simple request. Learn mules and ask me any doubts if you have. And the main point is you need to practice more. Okay. So practice is very important meals because the coding anyone can do. That is not in very rocket science. But here integration is there, right? I mean, it's like a government job. First to learn the history in 2006. Now 2023, the history will never change. Same here, so the integration components will never change. Once you are perfect in dragging and dropping that integration component, in 2029 also same components will be there. But due some, it may be of chance of having some extra features. That's all. But batch, file, JMS, queues, data view from 2006, I'm seeing components now 2023, same components. Okay, coming to the Java, I have learned my career Java 6 now. I think Java 12 or 13. Sorry, I'm not familiar on Java. Coding may change in lots of Spring Boot, microservices, everything will add. But coming to MuleSoft, that remains same. Okay. Hope you understand. If you want to learn MuleSoft, just focus on three things: basics, integrations, and practice. You are in a position to teach me. Okay, trust my words. Definitely, you will be become very perfect. So I have categorized into different modules. So like MuleSoft basics, as of basics, I will cover all these things. I cannot repeat because if I repeat each and everything under significance, it will take 12 p.m. So basics, I can introduce MuleSoft and how introduction is happening, debugging all these things. After that, software installations as well will take care, and where to download softwares and where to configure these things. I can take care of all these things. Data view, here is the coding part. I can tell only module 2 you can able to see the coding part, that to conversion of data. This is the available connectors from module 1 to I can sell 115. You can see only coding in module 2. Means from the 100%, you are able to see only module 2 as a coding. Means it is up to 5 to 6%. Once you're done with the module 2, right, you are able to learn about MuleSoft connectors, exception handling, development strategies, designing and implementation. So designing and all will be taking place in the architect level. But I cannot bluff you and cannot give wrong statement. These course only I have designed for the developer level only, because but it can teach you the basics of architect also. Okay, but as for your experience, so definitely they're not expert in architect. Okay, but definitely you will be easy to crack the architect also. I can help you on that. After the design, deploying all these things, API architecture, scopes, routers, all these things will be part of me also. But don't worry about seeing these names, okay? Because if as my starting career also, I was a little bit confused by seeing this all these components. But my duty and my job here is to assist you all. Okay. So just now how I have explained, taking a simple example of like Hemant and Sheikh. After that, I have replicated the same in technical perspective. After that, I have explained that why the name is Mule, and after that, I explain each and large data, right? In that understandable language only, I will explain each and component. You will be very familiar and you'll be very easy. Like it will be an interactive session, not like a schooling, the intermediate you have learned, right? Like verifying and uh, this thing. No, not at all like this. Otherwise, we can take 5 to 10 days extra also, not some commercial perspective. I'm telling. I will after 5 to 10 days extra as well. But my motive is to you all should be very perfect and you all should be very familiar while completing this MuleSoft course. And also last point I can tell, once you are familiar in this course, right, easily you can crack developer certificate. Okay, I will prepare the questions. I will share it to you all. Almost 70% questions will be coming from developer certificate. But prior to that, you need to understand the concept, each and everything. So our goal and motive, not job. Job definitely it's an hot cake. Definitely we can get. If you are learning this much of content, definitely we'll get a job. That is not about our motive is to long-lasting sustainability. Meaning up to 5 years also you should be in a position like you need to provide the solution to your company. Like this is the way we can approach while getting the requirement like that. Hope you understood. If you're having any doubts or anything, I'm here to assist you. Apart from if you want any job support or any interest support, you can contact to Subbu. He will assist you. No need to worry on these things. So And also please share your email ID to Subbu. I will share this content to you all on the diagram as well, what we have discussed as part of demo session. If you are okay, means I can wind up this session. So if you have any doubt, I am here to assist you.
I'm good. Thanks a lot.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Satya.
thank you.
I'm good. Thanks a lot.
Sure.
Sure.
What about Hemant, Venkatesh, Shiva, Ilveswaram Babu?
Yeah,
Hey,
thank you
thanks.
for your
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Yeah, what about Shiva? Like, okay, then. Thank you all. Thanks for joining. So this, I mean to select this documentation. I mean to select. I will be sharing it. Okay, and Hemant, no need to worry. Thank you. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much. Yeah, I will share this document to you all. But like, my humble request is two things. Please share your email address to Subbu. And one more thing, you should be very regular to class, and also practice is more important. Okay, for our life only, we are choosing this path, right? So we need to struggle. If you are struggle today, definitely success will be tomorrow. Okay, that is my one motive. So simply you are going sorry, joining the class, and if you are not at all I mean to select practicing it, that is waste. I'm simply telling because practice is more important. Whatever I'm telling, definitely can understand, but when you do some hands-on experience, right, then only you can able to understand exactly what you have understood and where you are. Lots of dots will be taking place at that time only. You will be more sharp and you are more perfect in coding. Okay, so thank you all. Thanks for joining. Happy weekend. Hope we will see you on Monday. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.